Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Supercrew FX4. This 145-inch wheelbase F-150 is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine that's paired to a 4-wheel drive system, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and just 57,000 kilometers on the odometer. The exterior is blue flame metallic. The FX4 gives us a body-colored grille surround with a black grille, a body-colored lower bumper, black-wrapped tow recovery hooks, and the luxury package gives us HID headlamps with a black bezel. The sport package gives us body-colored mirror caps and door handles, black platform running boards. We have 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers, tinted rear window defrost with power sliding glass, an FX4 body side decal, a tonneau cover, and a manual locking tailgate. At the rear we have smoked FX4 tail lamps, body color tailgate handle, and rear bumper. The rear bumper features rear park sensors. We have a trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups, a manual locking tailgate, a spray and box liner, and a hard tonneau cover. Inside FX4 we have a black interior with a stainless steel accent. We have power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors, Sony sound system with door speakers and door storage. We have rubber floor mats, automatic headlamps, a set of power adjustable brake pedals, a manual adjusting steering wheel that offers cruise control, driver's airbag, sync voice activated controls, and media center controls. We have a My Ford touchscreen with backup camera and navigation, heated and cooled front seats. We have electronic shifting 4-wheel drive, and a trailer brake controller. We have dual climate controls for the driver and passenger, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost, a flow-through center console for comfort and storage, black leather seating with power controls for driver and passenger, and a memory positioning driver's seat. Overhead, we have an auto-dimming rearview mirror, nap lighting, and we have a place to store your glasses. We have a 60/40 split bench seat, a 110 and 12-volt power outlet, storage and seat pockets of the driver and passenger seat, rear air vents, overhead lighting, and garment hooks. We have power windows, door speakers, and door storage. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.